Hi everyone, welcome back to Hashtag Network. In today's video, I will show you two quick and easy ways to convert PDF file into Word document. We will use Microsoft Word, which is a free and built-in most PCs, and Adobe Acrobat for those who need a more advanced option. Let's get started. The first method is to use Microsoft Word. Simple, open Microsoft Word. And when it is open, all you need is to have to drag your document as a PDF and it drops on your Microsoft Word. Word will prompt you that the file will be converted. Click OK, and the Word will convert your PDF into Microsoft Word. You will see your PDF files open as an editable document. All you need is to enable. If it gives that message, click OK. From here, you can make change and save it as Word. It is quick, easy, and work great. A simple document. You can change anywhere you want. Example, I will put my name in here. And any changes you want, you can make it. The second method is to use Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF files in Acrobat, then go to File and choose Save As, Microsoft Word or Word document, and choose your destination, and then save the file. This method works best for PDF with complex layout or formatting. Now the Microsoft Word is open. From here, you can use your Microsoft Word. This method works best for PDF with complex layout or formatting. And that is it. You have learned two simple ways to convert PDF to a Word document using Microsoft Word and Adobe Acrobat. Both methods are super easy and help you edit your PDF files effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.